Sense about you.
3, 2, 1.
And the race is on. Looks like we got Mad Mike out front. And we got Dylan once again pulling up a fast lap, coming in second. Cappy's in third, and we got Flipper in fourth. The Bink is in fifth.
Fastest lap by Dylan, 5.777 seconds.
And Dylan has taken the lead. Dylan at number 14, Slash, is in the lead. Mad Mike is pulling up second. Cappy's third. The Pirates move to fourth. Bink in fifth. Bink and Flipper running 1 and 2 back and forth, and we got Katie pulling up the end. Come on, Katie. Got the leader upside down, and he is clear. And still takes the lead. We got Dylan, but Mad Mike is right there with him. We got a good race. Number 14, the 55, running for first and second. Got one upside down coming in turn number 2.
Mad Mike takes the lead.
Mad Mike taking the lead. Dylan is in second. Flipper's in third. Pirates fourth. Bink's fifth. Cappy sixth. Katie's in seventh. And it looks like we got Cappy down in turn number 1. Pick up that number 2 car there. All right, with 10 laps in, we got Mad Mike leading. Dylan's in second. The Pirates, Arg is moving to third. Oh, we got one upside down in turn 2, and it's clear. The Pirate has moved his way into second place. It's Mad Mike, the Pirate, Dylan, Flipper, Katie, Bink, and Cappy. Cappy had some technical difficulties in the number 2. Dylan has made his way back into second place. It's a good race going on, guys, between first, second, and third. They're on the same straightaway, and Dylan is going for the inside. It looks like we're going to make it official here coming off the 4th turn. Dylan's still digging. He's going to make one lap up. It looks like Mike had a lap on him. A good race going on between second and third place, Dylan and the Pirates. We got him hung up over here, and it's clear. Oh, watch out for Jeremy. Watch out for Jeremy. Mad Mike, you got 21 laps in, and Dylan, you're at 20 laps in. Flipper is in third. The Pirates dropped to fourth. Katie's in fifth. Bink is in sixth. Cappy has some technical difficulties, and we're still running pretty good here. Got Mad Mike leading this race, coming on, making another lap. This fastest lap so far, 5.783. Dylan.
Mad Mike, 50 laps remaining.
Second in that number 14.
By Mad Mike, 5.755 seconds.
Thank you, Siri.
Dylan, 50 laps remaining. Flipper, 50 laps remaining.
Looks like Bink, he is having some problems here. Something broken on the 31 car.
50 laps remaining. Katie Carr, 50 laps remaining.
We got Dylan in second. Flipper, he's in third. The Pirate is in fourth. Katie's in fifth. Attrition is starting to wear pretty hard on these cars. With 32 laps into the race. Mad Mike makes another lap. He's got one lap on second place car, Dylan. Mike's driving the number 55 green machine. Dylan's in the number 14 red and black car. Flipper in the fluorescent 45 is in third. Alright, with 40 laps on the track, we got Mad Mike. He's pulling around. Oh, he's in a little bit of trouble, but he's clear. Mad Mike still leads the race. Dylan, he's in second. Flipper's in third. Mad Mike's at 41 laps. Dylan's at 40 laps. Flipper's at 39 laps. Oh, we got Dylan. He's upside down here in turn number 1.
Mad Mike, 30 laps remaining.
We got cars, it looks like everywhere. Flipper has just got 1 lap back from Mad Mike in that number 55 car.
Dylan, 30 laps, Flipper, 30 laps remaining.
Flipper's driving the wheels off that 45. He's driving like a madman. Mike, with 48 laps, still leading this race. Mike is in second place in our North Georgia Dirt Oval Series. It's important that Mike makes it into the 8th lane tonight to keep up with his the points. Dylan, he's in second place with 49 laps. Dylan's got a good run going. His fastest lap thus far is a 5.777. Good lap there, Dylan. Flipper, you turn to 5.76. He's in third. And Dylan and Flipper are now on the same
Fastest lap by Flipper, 5.742 seconds.
And we got second place and third place having some problems coming out. Turn
Mad
number 4.
Mike, 20 laps
And
remaining.
those 2 cars are racing for position in 45 and the 14. Mad Mike still leading this race, 56, 57 laps into it, running some smooth, consistent laps. 5.747, his fastest so far.
Flipper, 20 laps remaining.
Dylan, you are in 56 laps in second. Flipper, you're at 55 laps in third. Katie, you're at 48 laps in fourth. The Pirate is at 48 laps in fifth. Bink and Tappy have called it an early night with some broken parts. Mad Mike just staying calm and collected, making some smooth laps out there in that green number 55. He makes his lap way around the number 13 of the Pirate. Mad Mike just staying calm and collected. Cranking out some fast, smooth laps.
Mad Mike, 10 laps remaining.
10 laps to go, Mike. 10 laps to go in the 75 lap B lane.
Katie Carr, 20 laps remaining.
Up next, we're going to have our sportsman feature. Sportsman drivers. If you need to be making your way to get those cars ready.
Dylan,
Looks like
10
we'll have
laps remaining.
Jeremy, Corey, Madison, Brooke,
The
Taylor,
Pirate, 20
Davin,
laps
and
remaining.
I believe it's Andrew will be in the 7th position here.
Flipper, 10 laps remaining.
Mad Mike still turning the 5-second lap, 5.9 with his last lap. So far, the fastest lap of this race has been turned by Flipper at 5.74 seconds. And Mad Mike, you were at 73 laps. This time around will be the white flag lap for Mike DeAndre from the 55.
Mad Mike, last lap. Mad Mike,
And
finish.
Mike has finished the race. Everybody else finish the race. Go ahead and finish
Complete
your
with
lap.
final lap. Dylan, last
Dylan,
lap.
you're in second. Flipper, you finished third. The Pirates fourth. And Katie, you have finished